Hi, I'm Barney, and let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like no matter how healthy you eat or how much you exercise, that stubborn belly fat just won't go away? It's frustrating, isn't it? You try everything, cutting carbs, skipping meals, intense workouts, and yet the scale doesn't move. But here's the truth, it's not your fault. There's a hidden reason your body is holding on to fat. And in the next few moments, I'm going to share a simple, natural solution that can help you finally achieve the flat belly and energy you've been dreaming of. Let's talk about what's really going on. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down. On top of that, daily stress, toxins, and processed foods throw your body off balance. This creates a perfect storm for fat storage, especially around your belly. And it's not just about weight. You feel tired all the time. You deal with bloating, cravings, and clothes that just don't fit like they used to. It's exhausting, physically and emotionally. Most weight loss programs fail because they only focus on the surface, counting calories or doing extreme workouts. But the real problem is internal. Until you reset your body from the inside, you'll always feel stuck. That's where Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes in. Inspired by the long-living, slim, and energetic people of Okinawa, Japan, this natural tonic is packed with powerful ingredients that target the root cause of stubborn fat and slow metabolism. Just one scoop a day, mixed with water, and you can boost your metabolism, burn away stubborn fat, support digestion and gut health, reduce cravings, and feel more energetic every single day. It's safe, natural, easy to use, and fits perfectly into your morning routine. And the best part? It comes with a 90-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That means you have a full 3 months to try it out, completely risk-free. If you don't see results, you get your money back. No questions asked. So, what are you waiting for? Choose one of our value-packed multi-bottle options. We highly recommend the 3 or 6 bottle bundle for best results. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, healthier, and full of energy. Finally loving what you see in the mirror. Click the button below and take the first step toward your transformation with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic today.